Here's a simplified version of the guide to help you easily withdraw your funds from Neptune Network. Step 1. Log into Neptune Network. Go to the Neptune Network website. Enter your username and password. If 2FA is enabled, enter the verification code. Step 2. Go to the withdrawal page. After logging in, head to the dashboard. Find and click the withdraw button. Step 3. Choose your cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency, for example, BTC, ETH, NT tokens you want to withdraw. Step 4. Enter withdrawal information. Wallet address. Enter the destination wallet address, double check for accuracy. Amount. Type in the amount you want to withdraw. Step 5. Check fees and confirm. Review any fees displayed. Double check the details and confirm the withdrawal request. Step 6. Verify the withdrawal. If required, approve the withdrawal via email or 2FA. Step 7. Wait for confirmation. Wait for your transaction to be processed, may take a few minutes to hours. You can track the transaction with the transaction ID provided. Step 8. Check your wallet. Check the destination wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. Here are some of the important tips for you. Always verify the wallet address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Keep track of your transaction ID for reference. If delays occur, wait a bit longer or contact Neptune Network support. This simplified guide helps make withdrawals easy and straightforward. Let me know if you need more help.